Know it in a minute.
Now the most important part of this stretch here is called the pelvic tilt. So what we're going to do is she's going to take her hips. Now there's a small gap in between the wall and her back. We want her to close that gap. So she's going to take her hips and she's going to tuck underneath. Now you'll feel two things when you do this. You'll feel your butt come up and you'll feel your lower abs, your transverse abdominals tighten. So back to this position. We want her whole body aligned. We want everything straight from her foot, her right foot to her left foot. Now what she's going to do now is she is going to put her hands on her hips to guide her hips through the pelvic tilt. Go ahead. Now what's going to happen is, once that pelvic tilt is done, you should feel a nice stretch right in the right quad. Now this is not necessary for all people. Some people might feel this stretch immediately when they get into this position. If you do feel it and it is intense, do not continue with the pelvic tilt. This is more of a progression.